Hi there! True wireless earphones are all the rage now, and mostly everyone is looking for two things in them: good sound quality and deep bass. And guess what? Sony is listening. So here are the Sony's XB700 True Wireless Earbuds. The XB series is known for deep bass and clear sound, and I'm sure these aren't gonna disappoint. So let's unbox it, see its performance, sound, and I'll let you know whether you should buy these or not. But before that, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Singh. Let's get started. Here is the retail packaging of the Sony WF-XB700s. Pretty compact box. You can see the image of the earbuds, extra bass written in bold. At the bottom it shows battery 9+9 hours, IPX4, which means it's splash proof, and that's great. Bluetooth and wireless. On the back it says USB charging only. I'm assuming it's USB-C. At the bottom you can see it's made in Vietnam, which is great, and it's a Sony, which is a Japanese company. Alright, let's open it. Inside the box are the earphones case, the earphones itself, 3 pairs of different sizes of ear tips, USB to USB-C charging cable, and some paperwork. Alright, let's move everything aside and have a closer look at the earphones. So first thing we see is that the case cover is translucent. You can see the earphones charging red light, which is actually amazing, so that we now know that it's charging or already charged. It's got a pill-shaped design. It's extremely compact and soft. It's got a USB-C port at the back for charging. One nice thing is that the case has a flat bottom, so it stands on your desk and doesn't roll over. Let's open it. Wow, the hinge is pretty solid. The earbuds are set on an angle inside, so they're easy to grab with one hand. You don't even need to hold the case with your other hand to pull out the earbuds. And trust me, this comes very handy. A lot of TWS earphones miss out on these small details. The XB700s have a very unique design. Sony calls it the tri-hole design. The earbuds rest on your ears in 3 different spots, which they say provide a more comfortable fit. Shall check this in a moment. It's got the Sony branding on the back, along with this lovely matte texture as well. At the bottom is a button which will help you with the volume to change tracks and more. And on the other side are the mics for phone calls. The build quality is genuinely impressive. So the pairing process is fairly simple. Remove the earbuds from the case and the blue lights will start blinking. Go to your Android or iPhone's Bluetooth settings and you should see the Sony XB700 name pop up. Click and you're done. So let's talk about the tri-hole design. Comfort is such an important part when it comes to earphones, especially earbuds. How much ever they sound good, it won't matter if you can't wear them for longer durations. Also, I'd like to remind you, Sony claims 9 hours battery on these on a single charge, so fit and comfort should be a priority. Let's wear them and see. So the first thing it tells you is the battery percentage. Oh wow, this snug into your ear canal, almost sealing all the passive sound. Wow, the grip is really interesting. It has this open section which kind of keeps the air going. Maybe it helps to reduce sweat. They get a very nice grip and they aren't going to fall off anytime easy. However, they do peep out a little, but they don't feel bulky. Since they come with IPX4 rating, splash and sweat are taken care of, making them perfect during workouts and run. They also have buttons on each of them at the bottom, which takes care of all the controls. Frankly, I prefer the physical buttons rather than the touch gestures. Press once on the left for volume up, press on the left and hold, volume down, press once on the right for toggle to play and pause, press twice for next track, press thrice for previous track, press and hold on the right one to launch Siri or Google Assistant, press on any to end or answer a call. Wow, that literally covers all the controls, literally all. It does lack ear detection, which would have been good to have, but since you have a dedicated play pause button, no complaints. I'd also like to mention you can wear either of these for phone calls or music. Both earphones connect directly to your phone and not through each other, which helps in maintaining stable connection and lower latency. Alright, coming to the sound. So I wore them for 2 hours straight. Heard a lot of rock, EDMs, Bollywood and pop. First, I'd like to say they come with 12mm drivers and they don't disappoint one bit. If I had to put in one sentence, it's music for everyone. Bass, tick. Deep bass, tick. Clear vocals, tick. Instrument separation, tick. It's the kind of sound profile that works for everyone. Bass heads are simply gonna love it. But yes, you'll have to increase the volume to get that deep thump. The bass is so sweet that I fell in love with it. And it's not just the bass, it's the whole music experience. We usually see a lot of bass heavy earphones that lose out on highs and clarity, but these nail it. I so wish it had the Sony app support. Man, it would have taken the earphones to a whole new level. But still, no complaints, the XB700s do a great job in the sound department. Moving to the battery life. Well, it wouldn't be wrong to say it's the best in its class. 9 hours on a single charge. Plus the case holds another 9 hours charge when the battery on the earphones is depleted, giving it a total of 18 hours. Usually TWS earphones don't last for more than 3 to 4 hours, so hats off to Sony for pulling this off. Also 10 minutes of quick charge will provide 60 minutes of music playback, which is amazing. I heard for 2 hours and the battery was still showing full. Going by Sony standards, battery life is always dependable and one of the best. Great job in the battery department. So used these earphones for a couple of phone calls and they did a good job indoors. Unfortunately, because of the pandemic, I couldn't test these outdoors. But I can easily recommend these for phone calls and online meetings. Look stylish and your voice is audible on the receiving end. I also use them for watching some videos and frankly I did not notice any lag. You can easily use these to watch your favorite movies. In fact, all the more recommended because now they come with long battery life. You can decide even to wear one when you're watching a movie, which makes them even perfect that you can't even do with your headphones. I got a point, right? Finally, the price. Well, it's going on sale today on Amazon and the Sony website for $9,990. Sony's premium sounding extra bass earphones are worth every penny of that. Now let's not forget, these are Sony's TWS earphones that mean quality in every segment. But if I had to nitpick the cons, I can find two. No active noise cancelling and no app support. Now I know that might be too much to ask for at this price, and if you love truly wireless earphones and you're looking for that amazing sound experience, close your eyes and get this one. It's a Sony, you'll definitely love it. Oh, by the way, it's also available in black. I'll leave the links for both in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. Also, if you want to see a video on these where I cover a long-term comfort and battery life and my experience with it, hit the like button, and if that like crosses 1500 likes, I'll definitely make a video. So what are you waiting for? Hit that like button right now. So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments and let me know if there are any questions about the XB700s. I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Until next time, cheers.